Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Hello Kitty for free in Dress to Impress. Okay, the Hello Kitty look will be like this, and I'm going to show you how I created this look. The first one, guys, you can choose this item, and you're going to color it with this color code. And the next one, you're going to go to the shirt area or the top area, and then you're going to color it yellow, and you're going to remove the pattern. The next one, we're going to choose this shoe, and we're going to color it all white. You just color it all white like this. Okay, wait, I think I skipped this one. Okay, and the next one, we're going to create the Hello Kitty hat. We're going to go to the hat area, and then we're going to wear this fur hat. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the adjustment for this item. Okay, for this item, you can copy my adjustment. This is for the position and rotate, and also the scale. And then let's move to the next item. You're going to wear this one and color it white for the first selection and color it black for the next selection. And then I'm going to show you the adjustment for the eyes adjustment, position, rotate, and scale. Okay, and the next one, you're going to go to this area and wear this cat ears. Oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item. Okay, and we're going to color it white for all of the selection. Okay, just color it white like this, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment for this cat ears. Okay, you can copy these adjustment for the position and rotate, and also the scale. This is for the cat ears. And the next one, I'm going to choose this item, and we're going to do the adjustment again. For the adjustment, you can copy this one. This is for the position, rotate, and scale. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this ribbon, color it red, and we're going to change it to type 2. Okay, and wait, I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to wear this item and color it white. Okay, and I'm going to show you the adjustment for the two items. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the adjustment for the ribbon. You can follow this adjustment. Oops, sorry. For the position and rotate, and the last one, scale. And for this earring, I'm going to show you the position, the rotate, and also the scale. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Hello Kitty in Dress to Impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.